Hi everyone on this channel. My congratulations to everybody who is seriously interested in the topic of investments. On this channel, we will be focused 90% of all time in developing real practice, in developing real set of skills for successful investors, especially beginners. My name is Lubomir Yavorski. I am CEO of Equity Capital Partners. Investments is a passion of my life. If you want to know about more information about my personality, about my experience, about Equity Capital Partners, please, I invite you to my LinkedIn page account, link to this page below this video. And today, in this first video, I'd like to start our discussion on very interesting topic about a real challenge in the life of every investors, especially beginners. Every investor, especially beginner, want in reality three things: fast money, fast financial freedom and financial independence, and fastly to become successful investors. It's beautiful desires, but in reality no more 3% of all investors, all group investors beginners, are capable to achieve their financial goals, their financial investment performance in perspective. Why? What's cause of this minimal conversion rate from knowledge to real investment performance? And now I review for you rule number one in investments. Knowledge is not same financial investments results, financial performance. It's very important to understand. Right knowledge about investments don't equal financial results and investment performance. From my experience, I figure out four must-have conceptions. In reality, four must-have conceptions to become successful investors. First must-have: you must create and constantly develop specific successful investor mindset. Second must-have conception is to understand deep thinking about all risk, all myth and misjudgment on the investment market and investment industry. Must-have conceptions number three, it's very important, and from my experience is the most important. Must-have: constantly develop real sets of skills for successful investments. Sets of skills, not knowledge, set of skills. Skills of independent thinking, skills contrarian behavior, skills right behavior on the stock market or other markets, skills deep, profound analytical skills, and skills understand communicate in the right way with management team and another key peoples in businesses or owners of assets contact with live real humans with top level managers, companies, businesses, other owners of assets. It's very important. Emotional and emotional equivalent, not intelligence, not IQ, no EQ. It's real important and must have conceptions set and understand right way communicate with these people. It's a real important things for becoming successful investment. In this channel, on this channel, we can together in community of equity capital partners, together we will focus on developing this set of skills, real practice. If you want to become successful investors, please, I invite you to this channel, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, with your colleagues. Maybe they are interested in this video, in this topic of investment too. And see you next video. See you.